The 25th Great Ethiopian Run has once again transformed the heart of Addis Ababa, bringing together an estimated 40,000 runners at Meskel Square. What began in 2001 as the vision of Olympic legend Haile Gebrselassie has grown into the largest and most beloved race on the African continent. Participants of all ages and backgrounds filled the streets, turning the capital into a moving sea of color and energy. The event is more than a competition. It is a celebration of community, resilience, and Ethiopia's deep athletic heritage. As the fastest athletes crossed the finish line and received their medals, thousands of others followed, completing the course at their own pace. The Great Ethiopian Run continues to unite the nation, proving once again that running in Ethiopia is not just a sport, but a powerful shared tradition.
እንዲሁም የ25ኛው ታላቁ ሩጫ በኢትዮጵያ በሴቶች የተደረገውን ውድድር በአንደኝነት ያጠናቀቀችውን መልክናት ወልዱን የሚሸልሙልን ክብርት ከንቲባችን ናቸው ማለት ነው። በዚሁ አጋጣሚ